What's up, folks? It's Corey Fox 2002 here. So I'm going to show you that proof that is a cloudy day, September, and also when it's raining there. You can see these trees, they turn from green into brown on this tree over here, but some of them are red, yellow, or orange because they are turning colors because it's fall. But you can see a lot of acorns over here and leaves dropping from the trees into the ground. Sooner or later, trees are going to get barefooted by the time winter is here. Everybody grab the leaves and throw them away before winter comes and then starts to snow. Also, in the backyard too, I can see leaves over here too. These are the trees over here, and the leaves are they're falling, and more over there too. This is from the summer. When it was summer, the trees were green. All trees were green, especially the pine trees. I'll get to that later. But when it's fall, they're going to just turn colors so they fall. But immediately, when it's September like this, the weather's like that. So many trees are changing colors for their leaves. But some are still green, as of right now. But in a few months, it will start to fall and turn colors. That too. This too. The other side too. When it's winter, like I said before, there'll be no leaves on the trees. But when it's springtime, the leaves start growing. And that's how what seasons work. Every day can't be one season. It changes. And this past Monday, summer turned into fall. So roughly, it's 2:19 p.m. So it's not even 2 o'clock yet. So it's almost 72 hours ago. Yeah, like these pine trees over here. Imagine if this was a Christmas tree, then it stays green all year long because they're pine cones. Try not to touch it because that's pines over here, this tree. Also on that tree too. Still have green. Grass on the other hand, still have colors. And one's in the front yard. That too over here. And these guys too. Well, it's going to be POV when it's a rainy day in September. Because other times it could be rainy in October and November. And you see the leaves like this. So yeah, it is raining right now. It's a rainy Thursday afternoon. So yeah, we all going to prove that it's a rainy day in September. Because September could be most of the rains, but in Florida be warm all year round. It has hurricanes. So prove it's raining in September, everyone. This is me signing off, Corey Ross 2002. Don't forget to like and subscribe.